Lillian, guess what?
What?
We are going to have your favourite chicken nuggets!
Yay, Mommy, yay! Benny, come in! Chicken nuggets! Yay! Should we make it now?
Yeah, we should.
Alright, let's start, guys!
Yay! Ooh, this must be the ingredient. Chicken, some breadcrumbs, 3 eggs. Okay, guys, so what do we do now? Are we going to make the chicken nuggets, Mommy?
Yes, so the first step that we need to do is to make minced chicken. We need to mush up the chicken.
Oh, I think Benny would like to help me with that. Do you want to? Yes, come on, Benny.
So first you need to put the chicken pieces into a food processor.
Ooh,
Would you like to go, Lily?
okay.
So as you can see, the meat is raw.
Wow, slimy and sticky and gooey and ooey.
Yeah, that's hard, but we should still put it in because this makes it all soft. And it will make it like very small.
It's very slimy.
Yeah, look, it's like a chicken.
Slimy fish. Oh, Ben, do you want to have a go? So now that we finished all of the chicken, what do we do next, Mummy?
We need to add salt.
Oh, it's hard to open.
Let me try, Lily.
Oh,
You got it.
Okay, so we're gonna add a bit of salt. Okay, so now we finished the salt. We are going to crack some eggs and whip them. Well, that's what Mommy said. So let's do it. So we're gonna crack some eggs. Ooh, ooh, fell. It's a gooey egg. That one got a bit messy. Number 2. A lot of egg. Takes a lot of stirring and whipping. Whipping. So gooey. So now that the eggs are all whipped in, we are going to try to transfer the eggs to the plate. And I think I might need a little bit of help with this one. So let's bring in Ben. Come on in, Ben.
I'm Ben.
Okay, he's Ben. Okay, Ben, would you like to tip it in the plate?
Inside here, Lily?
Yes, inside there.
Okay. Hopefully. Remember, slow and steady does not win the race.
Ooh.
Whoa. There's a lot of egg.
Looks like slimy.
Well, that was easy.
Okay, so now what do we do, Mommy?
Now we have to get the breadcrumbs out onto a plate.
Well, here we are.
Whoa. That's so cool, Lily.
Feels so nice.
It feels like sand.
Yeah, but a bit crumbly. Okay, so now that we've done the breadcrumbs, we are going to get some chicken. So we're going to get 1 scoop of chicken. So a big scoop. Okay, and we're going to put it in the middle. And now we're going to make a shape of whatever we want. So let's see, what chicken nugget shape do I want? I might need to use it with my hands. Maybe I'll do a love heart shape. So It's really hard to make it. Mommy, look what I made. Ooh, it's a love heart shape. Do you like it?
Looking good, honey. Now you need to coat the chicken in egg, then squash breadcrumbs all around it.
Hot chicken and egg. Ta-da! Look at my love heart shape. It looks so good and crumbly. It actually looks like a chicken nugget. Since we finished our chicken nuggets, that's Ben's and Dad's mine, we are going to put them into the air fryer. Yay! In we go. Whoa! Okay, so now we finished taking them out and they
Look at this.
so delicious.
Well, Lisa's a love heart, but mine doesn't look like a monster, or it just looks like a
Plain circle. Okay, now shall we take a bite then?
Yes, please.
3, 2, 1. They taste really good.
It tastes so delicious.
So the chicken nuggets were really delicious,
Yeah, it
yummy
was
and
yummy.
crunchy. So have a chicken nugget day today, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah. Thank you for making chicken nuggets with us, and we'll see you next time. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys.
Bye.